Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to make a sandblasting pistol. Very easy, very cheap materials, and we are going to use this pistol to make some engraving, some marks in different materials. I'm going to make a jar with my logo, and also we are going to engraving metals and other things. We will see. Let's get started. First we build the sandblasting pistol and then we try it.
To make our sandblasting pistol we are going to use the air compressor, a bottle of soft drink, some beach sand. We need the compressor blow gun with the long nozzle. Now we are going to file the nozzle. We have to make a hole facing the bottom of the blow gun. The hole should look like this. Now we make a hole in the bottle with the same diameter than the nozzle in this exact spot. Now we insert the nozzle through the holes until we get the hole of the nozzle facing the cap of the bottle. I'm going to use the hot glue gun to seal the holes. Now we screw the nozzle to the blow gun. We pour some beach sand in the bottle. We close the bottle. Let's taste it with cardboard.
Okay, the first thing we are going to do is our custom beer jar. For that we are going to use some duct tape. We get duct tape. We cut some duct tape and we put it here like this. One. I put my favorite template on the jar, and now I'm going to use a cutter to cut the figure there. Okay, let's remove now the template. Okay, we are ready to blast some sand here. Where are you going, my friend? Clamp it. Now, yes. Good! Let's check what we got here. Whoa! Look at this. This is amazing, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is crazy. This is amazing. Look at that. How cool. My beer jar. Let's celebrate it. Now beer tastes better. Let's try something else. I got this brass ingot here. I'm going to mark it. Okay, I got the ingot ready. Let's see. Okay, let's have a look. Whoa, look at that. So beautiful. Amazing, guys. This is crazy. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.